Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2021 Hot Wheels, the Mystery Machine. This is the famous van from Scooby-Doo, and they released it this year for 2021. Now they have made it in the past before, but they decided to release it again. And it's part of the Hot Wheels Screen Time line. And you can see, it's a good replica of the Mystery Machine. It has gold shiny wheels and graphics that match how it looks like in the cartoon. You got the flower in the front and painted headlights. Chrome bumper. Nice little touch. Kind of orange interior. And it's pretty simple in the back, not much painted, just all green. And on the top, it's just simple. And you're looking on the bottom, it's all nice and chrome. Now I'm going to open it up and let you guys take a closer look of the Mystery Machine. So here it is, the Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo. You can see, really nice detail. I like the feel of it. It's all metal, all on the body. The wheels spin really nice, and I like the color. It makes it really stand out. Plastic front windshield. You can look inside. Big, huge chair or seat, and then you can kind of see the steering wheel right there. You can see over here, you can see there's like a glove box and a small detail of the center console. Not much to the interior, but it looks very cool. Other side over here. Usually you don't see this side in the package, so they still did a good job on painting. Here's the rear. Back doors doesn't open or anything, and the taillights weren't painted. But, you know, they're trying to keep it simple. Chrome bumper. Now this is plastic on the bottom. So it goes all the way through the front, and chrome bumper in the front. So yeah, it rolls really well. Sits low to the ground. Now, if you're collecting the movie type vehicles, this is one you should add to your collection, because this is what I do. I've been collecting the kind of like movie or themed vehicles from Hot Wheels, which is very unique. Now, if you don't know anything about Scooby-Doo, the characters in Scooby-Doo is Velma, Fred, Daphne, Shaggy, and the famous Scooby-Doo. Now, this cartoon actually came out in 1969, so that is a long time. That's about maybe 62 years ago. But yet, a lot of people know about this, and if you don't know anything about Scooby-Doo, you can look up on the web, and it's a very funny cartoon, and it has this vehicle in there. They drive around trying to solve mysteries. So that will probably get you to like this vehicle a little bit more and understand what it's all about. So here it is, the Mystery Machine from Hot Wheels. And you can find it in your stores right now. And if not, you should be able to find it online somewhere. So this is a great vehicle to have in your collection if you're trying to collect all the different types of movie or cartoon-like vehicles from Hot Wheels. Now remember to like, subscribe, and comment anything you have about this vehicle or anything else you would like to see. Thank you very much for watching.